Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some pizza. On this board I have some sausage, bacon, tomato, parsley, bell pepper, tomato again, okay, and some scallion. I have 4 eggs that are going to be beat up, but I will be seasoning up this egg before, okay. The pizza sauce, okay, and I have 6 slices of bread. Alright, this is white bread. I'm going to slice this up or dice it and let you see. Stay tuned. What I did is cut around the edges from the brown. Okay, take off some of the brownness from the edges of the bread, and then I'm going to dice it. So I just done dice up the bread. Okay, I'm going to add it into the bowl, and then I just put some dry seasoning and some pink salt into this egg, and I mean, this is my take, and I'm gonna whip it until it get all come together. Okay, so finish beating up the eggs. Okay, I'm gonna place this bacon into the pan and fry it up for a little bit, and then I'm gonna fry this, and this is optional. I like frying it. All right, so yeah, this is it. And if I didn't mention, I dice this very thin, slice them small, or slice them, I'm sorry, like this. Alright, I don't want it to get too crispy, I just want it to cook a bit. Alright, so now I'm going to add the eggs into this bread, and I'm going to mix it up. Okay, I'm going to tumble it well. I'll have a like this. I'll make sure that it soak in properly all over the bread. Remember, the more bread that you use, the more slices of the bread you use, is the more egg you have to use. Okay, you gotta make sure that it will absorb properly, soaking well, and then you want to place this on an iron surface. And this is the sausage that I fry off camera, and this is the bacon. Okay, so I just pour a little oil on this, and I'm gonna spread the oil all over. All right, and this is the egg mixture. I'm going to place it on this pan. So I just place this on a flat pan. Okay, I'm going to base it first with some pizza sauce. All right, I'm going to distribute it evenly all over. Okay, I'm going to finish. So after finish basting pizza, I'm going to sprinkle some bell pepper. This is optional. Okay, I'm going to place some sausage right the way around. Okay, then I'm going to add some tomato, alright, the bacon, and then the cheese. Okay, Look at this. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna add the cheese now. Alright. And I'm gonna cover this down on low heat and let the cheese melt on it. Okay. A lot of cheese, a lot of cheese. So now I'm gonna cover this down and for like 15 minutes, and then I will be back. Okay. So this is it when it's finished. What it look like. All right. I'm gonna cut it, and there you see it's still hot. Okay. So this is it, guys. I'm cutting into it. Okay. Still hot. So this is it when it's finished. But look like. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Pizza. Bread pizza.